Hello guys, I want to show you how to use your server, Linux server, as a VPN. In this video I will show you how to set up a VPN through SSH injector in Linux server, and in other videos I will introduce how to deal with the Windows server. In this video we will focus on Linux server. So I will provide you with this document that step-by-step commands to do this. First of all, you have to have a Windows software that enable you to connect to your server. First of all, you have to connect to your server and then set up SSH injector. Okay, you need PuTTY software, PuTTY download. Okay, this is a PuTTY software. Okay, this PuTTY is installed. So in the first session you have to use SSH, and in this bar you have to write your IP address and the port. You have to get the port for Linux and for SSH connection from your host provider. Okay, telnet open. Okay, accept. Okay, in this you have to write the username of your server. Occasionally the username for Linux is root and the username for Windows server is administrator, but before that you can ask it from your host provider. And when you type in this you won't see anything, so keep writing root for password. I mean, for the password you won't see anything. Okay, I'm connected to my server, so do the exact. First of all, we have to update. Okay, when you right click on this, the comment will be copied and enter. Okay, you have to wait until the update completed. Okay, it is completed, and we have to upgrade open SSH server on our server. Yes, you have to click Y as yes. Okay, we have to wait until the update completed. Okay. This method is good for having a personal VPN, and it will become in handy for a lot of reasons. In other videos, I will introduce you how to share VPN from your Android app to your computer. Actually, by PuTTY, you can set up VPN to your Windows, but I think another method is better. And today, by these settings, you can use VPN Android on your smartphone. So by using your smartphone, you will be connected to your server, and you will use the IP address from your server to browse the internet. So this is the longest part of the settings. We have to wait. In other videos, I will show you how to set up your Windows server for SSH connection. Okay. In this, you don't change anything, just press enter. Okay, just press enter. Okay, in the last part, you just enter and do not change anything. Enter, just enter, just enter. Okay, so when the process is completed, the new command line will be shown. Okay, it's done. So let's go to the next stage. You have to copy this. We have to modify the file. Copy, and when you right click, it will copy and enter. Okay, we are in the text and we have to modify this. Password authentication, yes, we can copy and paste password authentication by clicking on Control and W. Control and W to search for this line. Okay, we have to remove the hashtag. Okay, and we have to add this. You know why? Because this method is good for the speed, SSH speed. Okay, I want to add another line below this. Okay, and paste by right click. Okay, and finally you have to save this by Control X and then click yes to save this. Okay, and then enter. This is important to do the exact I have did. Okay, so after that we have to restart the SSH. Okay, and about this we have to copy and paste this. Okay, yes. Okay, just enter. Okay, just enter and copy and paste another line. This is so easy. Okay, and copy and paste this. Okay, and then restart. Okay, when you click restart, your connection will be lost. You can close it. Actually, you want to copy this reboot at the end because there's other settings that I want to show you. Okay, this is putty and this is my IP address. Okay, we have to wait until the server is turned on, because we have reboot this server. Let's try. Before going to that, I want to tell you why I have put these comments here. In some servers, if after the rebooting your VPN is active and you can use it, so there's no problem. But some servers but some countries actually do not accept IPv6. So in this case we have to disable IPv6 to be enabled to use IPv4, and if this actually I will suggest you that you apply these changes also on your server to be sure that your VPN will work without any problem. Okay, open. Okay, the server is, when you enter your password you won't see anything, so keep writing. Okay, so let's go to the last part of our setting. Okay, you can copy and paste these lines, but yes, you can copy and paste these lines, at the end of the file, because by default all of the parameters are started by hashtag. When parameters are started with hashtag, it means that parameter is not working, and if you remove the hashtag, the command will be apply. Okay, and Control X and click Y to save and enter. You have to enter. Okay, it's good. So this is the last comment we will paste. Okay, it is disabled. It will show us that the IPv6 is disabled, and this is the last part. Reboot. Okay, it's good. So it will be rebooted, and after that, after rebooting, make sure that your server is on, and after that I will show you how to set up your Android app to connect to your server. Okay, now you have to download SSH injector Android app into your device, and then you can press the app. So there's some kind of settings. First setting is you have to click on direct on the method. The method should be direct, and the tunnel type has to be secure shell, and you can save it. Okay, and another thing is pressing the setting, and the primary, you have to check the forward DNS, and then the primary DNS has to be this 8.8.8.8, and click OK, and then secondary DNS has to be 8.8.4.4, and there's nothing else. So another important setting is SSH setting. In SSH setting, you have to write your IP address on your host. In SSH host, you have to write your IP. The SSH port, you have to write your port on your server, and the username you have to write the username of your port. If you occasionally, the root is for Linux servers, administrator is for Windows server. Okay, and the local port can be 1080. And then I think the data compression is checked by default. So there's nothing else, but for further settings, if your smartphone has a good configuration, you can change these settings. These settings consume more battery and may cause your internet speed to be faster. For example, maximum, if you set it to the maximum, and then actually this is not important, okay, disable TCP delay. You can check it, and you can check out a pinger not to lose connection to your server. It is optional, it is not necessary. You can check and test if these works, so you can keep it on, but maybe it is good not to change these settings. After these things, you have to click start. If you click start, there will be a status that is connected, and you will be connected to your server, and it will be acted as VPN on your device. After configuration and starting, you will see this. Starting. Yes, it is connected. So keep in mind that all of the settings has to be like my setting. For example, you have to check DNS, Google DNS, and the direct SSH has to be chosen, and secret shell, and tools. No, okay, it's okay. Okay, nothing else. Just to make sure these settings has to be exactly like my setting. That is all.